Welcome to Knowledge Factory. Are we truly free, or is it just an illusion? Have you ever felt like we are living a life where every step we take is being measured? A system where, from childhood, we are taught that if we don't succeed, if we don't achieve wealth and fame, we are failures? This is the true reality of the modern world, a form of slavery without chains, yet its web is so deep that most people don't even realize it. But today, in this video, we will break this illusion. We will explore how people in the past lived freely, how they truly lived instead of just surviving. We will uncover how modern society has trapped us in a cycle of slavery, and most importantly, we will find a way to break free from it. Let's dive into the video. If we look at history, we find countless societies where life was not just about money and status. Tribal societies, where people lived together, shared resources, and had no pressure to accumulate wealth. The Islamic Golden Age, where knowledge was the greatest treasure, and people focused on philosophy, science, and ethics rather than just making money. Greek philosophers, like Socrates and Diogenes, who believed true success lay in simplicity and self-awareness. But today we live in a world where we are made to feel free, yet in reality, we are trapped in an endless race. This is the achievement society, where every individual is forced to chase success. Study hard, get a good job, earn more money, buy a bigger house, and secure your place in society. But have we ever stopped to ask, does this race have a finish line? Or are we just running blindly? In the past, kings, rulers, and dictators controlled people by force, giving direct orders. But today, the powerful don't need to command us. They make us believe that we are in control of our own lives. We are told that if we work harder, we can achieve anything. But the truth is, we are caught in an endless cycle of work, where rest is seen as laziness and simplicity is mistaken for failure. How to escape this trap? 5 steps. So can we break free from this cycle? Yes, and it is possible through these 5 simple yet powerful steps. 1. Recognize the illusion. First, we must understand that we are chasing an artificial dream. We need to realize that our thinking has been shaped in a particular way. 2. Find your true purpose. Instead of letting society tell us what we should want, we need to ask ourselves what we truly desire in life. 3. Embrace simplicity. Most of the things we buy and chase after are not our real needs. We have been conditioned to see them as symbols of success. 4. Take control of yourself. Step away from social media and societal pressure. Make your own decisions and value your time. 5. Discover the true meaning of life. Money is necessary, but it is not everything. Relationships, inner peace, and true happiness are far more valuable than wealth. So are you ready to break free from this modern slavery? Do you want to take control of your own life? The world will keep pushing you to run in this endless race, to work like a machine, but you have a choice. You can live the life you want, instead of letting others decide your fate. If you believe this message should reach more people, like, share, and comment your thoughts. It's time to recognize modern slavery and set ourselves free.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and the bell notification icon.